Well, hello there. So, today we're feeding our ginger bug. Now, as you've seen over the past couple of days, the fact that grating the ginger is hard. Not impossible, but hard to do. And the chef just doesn't have the patience for that. And chopping it works, but today, I'm sorry, I'm doing it the lazy way. We're going to go ahead and shave off just this little bit here. See? And that's probably going to yield about 3, I think. So I'm going to chop this chunk off right here, actually. This should yield 2 tablespoons. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in my handy dandy little chopper machine here. There we go. Just like that. I mean, if they say the key is surface area, that should do it. I knew I was forgetting something. One overheaping. And another one. So, yep, 2 tablespoons. And so we're going to go ahead and add in 2 teaspoons of sugar. Here in a second. Let me go ahead and clean up that little bit of the work area. And here's 1 teaspoon. And here's 2 teaspoons. And then here is another 4 tablespoons of water. Stir it together. Now, I don't see any bubbles forming on this one yet, but it does still smell like ginger, nothing else. You can see it's kind of forming something. I mean, there's a little bit of foam form, but it's not what I would hope for yet. So let's go ahead and put this back in its cupboard, but not above or not below the stairs. It will be above my refrigerator. Makes you wonder, was J.K. Rowling maybe a fan of Wes Craven? After all, she did put Harry under the stairs. But that's all the love you have to show this. This is day 3. Good night.